Hello and welcome to the video. In this video we solve exercise number 3-12. In previous exercise, after passing the inspection station, parts are moved to the paint booth and each booth has its processing time triangular distributed with its minimum value of 3, most likely value is 10 and maximum value is 18 minutes. And each processing station or the touch-up booth has its own first in first out queue and its server value is equal to 1, mean the capacity of the server is equal to 1. Okay, so now let's move to the arena home screen. So here you can see the model of exercise 3-12. So there is nothing changed up to this. So you can see the first create module are creating the blue part, nothing change in any field value. Second one is for the green part and third one is the red part type. Then all three kinds of part move to the drilling center where resource name is drill press and unit to seize or release value is 1 and delay type is triangular distributed and the capacity of the drill center is 1. You can check basis process or here you can see resource and drill press capacity is 1. Then in previous exercise we add the decide module for pass the inspection and its value is 85%. If the part passes the inspection station, then move to the next decision node in this stage. But in previous case the part leave the system and the rest 15% move to the drilling center. Okay, so but in this exercise parts move to the second decision node value and in this decide module or the decision station send to the correct touch up operation, mean if the green part comes then green part move to the green touch up booth. If red part comes, then red part move to the red touch-up booth. Exactly the blue part move to the blue touch-up booth. So you can use the decide module here by the type of n-way by condition, and here the condition is entity type which is defined in the create module, and the name of that part, simply when you click this arrow button you can see each type of entity type that is defined in the create module are listed down. Simply click the blue part and click OK, then select the second type that is green and the third type automatically selected that is the red one, and then simply click OK and then make the connection of these three process. So simply drag the process module here and name it as blue touch-up booth. Seize delay release is the action under the logic panel and define the resource name blue touch-up resource. Its value is 1 and its delay type is triangular distributed with 3, 10 and 18 its field values. Then copy this process module to 2 times and simply edit or rename the process module to blue to green and the rest of the values remain same, but you also rename the resource name that is green. In previous case it is blue. Okay, and in this case the resource name is red and the process name is red touch-up booth. Then using the resource animation toolbar you can add the resource animation for these three processes by simply opening the libraries that was already installed in arena version. Here you can see a new chart that is the touch-up queue operation where you can add the three series, first one for blue, second one for green and last one for the red. In the under the blue data series, build the expression and the expression is nq blue touch-up booth dot queue, mean the process queue of this blue touch-up booth workstation, then the second one for the green and the last one for the red. So all these three Q values are linked these expression values one by one, and all three process Q values are shown in this chart. These two charts would remain the same. Click on it and here you can see drill center Q and here you can see the drill press expression or number BZ. Okay, so under the resource panel, you can see the capacity is 1 for each resource type, and queue type is first in, first out. And under entity, you can see picture dot blue, green, or red ball. Okay, then move to the run setup, or we run the simulation for 80 minutes, or simply click OK and then simply run the model. And here you can see the result values. So let's fast forward it and click yes, and you can see under this report the average time in system for blue part is 28.51, for green part is 21.91, and for red part is 26.61. And the waiting time in queue for blue touch-up is 8.55. For drilling center is 3.63. Simply round off the values. For green is 2.67 and for red is 7.19. And the number waiting in each of these process workstation is 0.49, 0.69, 0.11 or 0.40. And the utilization of the resource is for blue process is 65%, is 63%, 46% and 58%. So this conclude our exercise 3-12. Thank you.